Welcome to Brain Vision.
We want to find the magnitude of the magnetic field that a power line with a current of 95 amps is making on the ground. And so the ground is 8.5 meters below the line here. So we just treat this as an infinitely long line of currents. And so we know the magnetic field is just mu naught times I over 2 pi r, where r is the distance to where we're looking at the field. So mu naught times 95 amps over 2 pi times our distance, which will be 8.5 meters. And this will come out to be 2.2 times 10 to the minus 6 Teslas. And then we're asked to compare this to Earth's field, so we just do this value divided by the magnetic field of the Earth, which is 0.5 times 10 to the minus 4 Teslas. And so we do that, and we get 0.0447. So that means that on the ground, the field from this wire is about 4.5% that of Earth's field. And so then in part B, we're asked to find at what distance would the field actually cancel with Earth's. So first off, I think we're supposed to assume that Earth's field is pointing in the north direction here. And so north here is into the page, south is out of the page. So from the right-hand rule, we can see that if we want these to cancel, we need the magnetic field pointing south from this wire. And so that means that it needs to be coming out of the page. And so that means then that we need to be below the wire. So we're somewhere in this region, below rather than above is where it'll cancel. So we can just find that distance. So we know that these two magnetic fields will be in opposite directions. So I can just say that B from the wire needs to equal B from the Earth for those to cancel. So B from the wire is just mu naught times I over 2 pi r. And so this is the r we want to find now. And that'll just equal the Earth's value, which is 0.5 times 10 to the minus 4th Teslas. And so we can solve for r then pretty easily. And that should just be mu naught I over 2 pi and then 0.5 times 10 to the minus 4 Teslas. And so we get that that'll be 0.38 meters. And so, as we said before, for this to cancel the Earth's field, this must be in the south direction. So that means it needs to be below. So anything then along this line at a distance of 0.38 below the wire, that's where the fields will be canceling to 0.